Exposing the magic in Hebrew. Ready to uncover why this ancient language is a modern favorite? Let's go. Hebrew isn't just a language, it's a journey through time. Imagine speaking the same words used in ancient scrolls and modern tech. How cool is that? First off, Hebrew is one of the oldest languages still spoken today. It's been around for over 3,000 years. Learning it connects you to a rich tapestry of history and culture. Think ancient Israel, the Bible, and centuries of literature. But wait, there's more. Hebrew is also super practical. It's spoken by millions of people in Israel and around the world. Plus, it's a gateway to other Semitic languages like Arabic. And here's a fun fact: Hebrew was revived. It went from a language of ancient texts to a modern, vibrant tongue spoken daily. It's like bringing history back to life, so why not start your Hebrew adventure today? You'll be unlocking a language full of stories, culture, and endless possibilities. Shalom and happy learning.